I'm at the stage now where I need to work on the interior bracing. I'm going to put a concave radius on this piece of oak, and I'm going to apply some heat with a heating blanket. I can feel it's heating up pretty good, and then I'll go ahead and clamp this in place. So I've got the piece of wood on top, and I've got a little thin strip of Teflon between the top and this caul just to protect it. I gotta just be really super careful that it doesn't heat up too much, because it could affect this finish. If I don't have to, I don't want to mess it up. Yeah, it's nice and warm, getting toasty, cooking the top. Okay, now the idea here is to put the pressure on it while the heat is on it, and then you turn the heat off, let it sit under pressure, under tension, and let it cool. And do that several times over the course of a couple days. That's my plan. All right, let me turn this heat off, let this cool. So I'll bring you back in a couple of days and see how this top looks. All right, it's been a couple of days and I've been heating this up periodically. I learned not to do it too long because that heater gets quite hot, and I don't think I ruined the finish or anything. It should be fine, but the bridge plate didn't fare so well. Got a little toasted, like a toasted marshmallow. Okay, the top did get a little scorched. It's got a little impression from the Teflon, so that might be able to get buffed out. It's a little better. It's a lot more subtle now. Now just looking at it, it looks a lot flatter. Now the main issue seems to be this dip in this going this way. But by adding these bracing, like I'm going to do, I have some brace material roughed in. I have some braces here. These are just rough right now. And then some sound hole braces that are going to go here. So these are going to go back here. I'm going to lay this all out. So now I have magnets on the inside indicating where the braces are. And just to demonstrate, here's where one brace is. Here's where that brace is located. So I'm going to go ahead and just mark where the edge of these braces are going to be cut. This is going to be the treble, and then this one here I'm going to mark this one base, and then I'm going to do the same thing for these sound hole braces on the side. I made 2 cauls to go on the back of this brace, and I just have some really low tack double face tape just to hold those in place while I hold it up into the guitar. I don't want to go nuts with the glue. Okay, now I'm going to rely on the glue to hold it in place while I put this in position. Just going to hold it for a minute or so. Let me take a look at it first before I clamp it. I don't think that's right. Let's see. I got it going in the wrong direction, I believe. Let's see. It's got to be turned like that. I had it like that. Now the glue is kind of tacking up on me. Let me just replenish that a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of tricky. Can't see inside the guitar. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. It's going by feel. I feel like I'm a little bit away from that bridge pad. I feel like it's going this way. I don't want to lose the calls either. Nah, oop, that looks good. Let's see if I can get this one in here for this side. This one feels weird. Yeah, it slipped off. Slipped off the caul. This caul slipped off in the back. Whew. This is a pain in the arse. I see the problem. It's right on top of this clamp, and that one's hitting the side. Can't do much with that. I had this all worked out in rehearsal. When you get on the stage, it's a different story. If I can just move the inside, I think it's to the left. It's backwards and upside down in this mirror. I think that's it, right? Wow, that was tricky. It's in a weird spot. The brace, you can see, it's going just a slight angle. Now I'm going to come back and do the other one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the bracing here on the sides. Just kind of getting some of the dust off it. Okay, nice and tight. It holds that in place. Now I won't be able to get this one in now, so I'll come back and get that one. It'll be the same operation. I won't show you that. I'll bring you back when I get a little bit deeper into the story of this old K guitar.